Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this episode we will be learning how to add a payment method on Steam application. Adding a payment method on Steam allows you to buy games, DLCs, in-game items and wallet funds. First of all, launch Open Steam application on your Android or iOS device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the question mark or the profile icon at the top right corner and tap on Account Details on the next. Soon after you open up your account details page, tap on Add Payment Method to this account button. On the next page, select your payment method from the top of the screen. Choose whether you'd like to add Visa, MasterCard, or other cards displayed on the screen. Now enter your card number, the expiry date for your card, and the security code. Enter your first legal name and the last. Enter the name of your city, billing address, postal code or zip code, and select your country and add a phone number in the respective field. Finally, click on the Continue button. Once you have the correct payment information, you will then be able to add a payment method on your Steam account. Just make sure to fill in the required details correctly. Make sure the information is accurate, and Steam will securely save your payment method for future purchases, unless you choose otherwise. That is how you easily add a payment method on Steam. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.